Welcome in our geography session by Deshmukh Madam for Standard 12th. We discuss about secondary economic activity. In last video, we discussed about the types of industries which based on raw material. Now in this video, we discuss the types of industry which based on the capital investment. The amount of capital is responsible for the types of industry which based on capital investment. There is cottage industry, large scale industry and medium and small scale or micro scale industry which are depend on the capital based industries. The capital is one of the important part of the industrial setup and development. On the basis of capital investment in India, there are three subtypes of industry. The first type, that is large scale industry, which depend on the large amount of capital. Second, micro, small and medium scale industries. Third, cottage or household industries. Now first industry, that is a large scale industry. Large scale industries require huge amount of capital, equipment and other infrastructure. The investment required is more than 10 crores of rupees. So this industries is known as a large scale industries because the cost of equipment is also high for such type of industries. There are almost a huge industries are there. For example, iron and steel industries, then power industries, cotton textiles. Such industries require a huge capital, and that's why these industries are known as a large scale industries. Now this is the pictures which tell us about the size of machinery and size of that equipments and that plant. So there is the need of huge capital. Now second type of industry, that is a micro, small and medium industries. When the micro industries are there, at that time investment in a plant and machinery does not exist rupees 25 lakh, as well as the investment in equipment is also does not exist rupees 10 lakh. And for example, we can observe this type of industries like a dairy products industries are there. Then about small scale industry, it's more than rupees 25 lakh but does not exceed rupees 5 crores. So 25 lakh to 5 crore is a limit of this type of small scale industry. Then about their investment equipments is also in between 10 lakh to 2 crores. And the example like bottles, then small toys and paper industry is there. Third, that is a medium scale industry. The amount which invest in this plant is 5 crore to 10 crore, means in between 5 to 10 crore is there. The investment related with the equipments is necessary in between 2 crore to 5 crore. There are some examples like a cycle industry, television set industries, radio set industries are there. So there are the limit from the micro to medium scale industry, that is a 25 lakh to 10 crore, and their equipment investment is in between 10 lakh to 5 crore. So such industries are also known as micro, small and medium scale industries. Like this is also one of the example of such type of industry. Now third industry, that is a cottage or household industry. This industries is totally depend with a less investment and almost the less worker. These are basic type of industries. These are totally depend on manual power only. It sells products in a local market. It use local available raw material also. Capital investment is also very small. It's require good skill. The skill is very important and necessary for such type of industries. For example, potters, weaver, blacksmith, carpenters and craft person. These people are practice such type of industries. They are use their skill than local raw material and local market for the selling their products only. But nowadays the demand for the production from this cottage or household industries from the abroad. For example, our Paithani sarees are famous from India. Then the carpets from Kashmir, they are also famous. They are also part of a cottage and household industries. Due to the higher skill, a good quality is responsible for the demand for the production from abroad nowadays. So in this way we can cover this type of three types of industry. The cottage industry is totally depend on the skill. The skilled people, that skill is also very important and they produce a high quality of good, but with the help of raw material which is available in their local area. So this the cottage industry is also one of the important industry which is the responsible for the economical development from a rural area. In this way we can discuss there are the three subtypes of industries which are depend on the amount of their investment, that is large scale industry, medium and small scale industries or micro scale industry, and last cottage industry. Okay.